Now, and let me tell you, there's so much Christmas stuff everywhere. Look, they have PJ. Welcome to another Vlogmas, you guys. Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing this. We started Vlogmas in Jamaica, but now I'm back and really need to get ready for the holidays. We have our tree from last year, but I'm thinking something new this year. I don't know, maybe a white tree. What do you think, Oral? Maybe a white tree.
Keep the tree that we have.
We'll see.
I'm not on camera. Keep the tree.
You are on camera. See, you're on camera.
Yeah.
We are maybe gonna put our current tree in the basement. I don't know. We don't need to get rid of it. It's a really good tree. I love my old tree, but I'm just thinking that it's time to kind of spruce up and get something new. So we're gonna be shopping for a white tree today. Let's see if we get it. If we don't, then we can always order one from Amazon or order one online. We'll see. But that's what we're doing today. Just getting ready, getting our home ready for Christmas, getting the spirit of real spirit of Christmas. So we're gonna try to hit a couple of our my favorite stores: HomeGoods, BJ's, and maybe Target. We'll see. Maybe Target. We'll see how much we can get done today. I really love the little finds in HomeGoods, all the little decoration, you know, some decorative pillows. I like to get those from HomeGoods. And BJ's is my regular shopping store, but the poinsettias at BJ's, I always get my poinsettias from BJ's. I must say I'm quite behind on my poinsettia shopping, but oh my god, look at this traffic.
Are we getting out here?
Look at this traffic. Yeah, let's get off here. Let's get off here. But look at this traffic, guys. It's a good thing we're getting off here. So I'm behind on my poinsettia shopping, but hopefully they'll still have good ones. You know, I normally get them from Thanksgiving, but this year we didn't. So I'm really looking forward to getting some beautiful ones. I just love the way the poinsettias make the place look. It's like I'm really ready for Christmas when I have my poinsettias, okay? All right, well, I'll see you guys when we get to our first stop. I think our first stop is gonna be HomeGoods, right? What do you want to say, Zetai? Say hey, vlog. Say hey, Vlogmas. All right. We're off to HomeGoods. First stop. Go across the street, Satai. Go across. Fingers crossed we're gonna find something perfect for a tree. Cars are coming, I have to wait. All those little perfect decorative touches that makes the season feel so special. HomeGoods always have those, so hopefully I can find some of those today. Stay with Dada Satai, the cars are coming. I'm also gonna look for a couch. Like, well, it's crazy because, yes, we're walking in the wrong way. Go on the other side. Go on the other side, Satai. This side. Where's that Ramses?
He got a pink cart.
Look. You gonna put him in a cart?
You don't want to go in.
No, I want the pink cart. I want the pink cart.
Ramses was sleeping in the car.
I want a pink cart.
We just need one cart. We don't need
No,
multiple
but I
carts.
wanted this one. I wanted this pink cart.
Okay, we are in HomeGoods now, and let me tell you, there's so much Christmas stuff everywhere. Look at the aisles. Ho ho ho. Filled with wreaths. Oh my god. Christmas decorations all over.
You forgot one more thing.
Time.
You forgot one more thing. The sleigh.
The sleigh. All right, let's go.
No, you forgot one more thing. Put my head in this.
Quickly. Go, quickly. Go right there. Quick. Ah, Satai. All right, come. All right, let's go find Dada.
Wait, we can get chocolate coins.
Let's see. Dada wants it. Oh, Oral wants to change the couch because the boys ride that couch out so much. I'm like, that couch could stay.
Coins already. We needed some chocolate coins.
All right, let's go find them first.
Oh,
I don't mind
watch
keeping that
out.
couch, but Oral wants to change it, so we'll see if we find anything in here. Just like he doesn't mind keeping the Christmas tree, but I want to get a new one, so.
Okay, Dada.
We compromise.
Dada.
We'll see who gets what today,
Dada,
or order what.
you forgot something.
I bet you're looking at the couches, huh? I know you're trying to get a new one.
Look at this one.
Sit.
I don't know about that. This is not bad, but you need like a
Let
whole
me sit
set.
in here.
We may have to go to Raymore and Flanagan.
Yeah. Oh, we have one in the across counter, right?
Yeah, Bay Plaza. There's one in Bay Plaza.
Look at me.
No, what happened to cross counter? Did that one?
No, they don't have a Raymore and Flanagan in Cross County. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's filled with wreaths over there. It's crazy. It's
Wait, no.
Christmas
Look at me.
Look at Satai. The Christmas spirit is just alive in here, huh?
I see
Mommy.
some stools over there for the kitchen. Wanna look at it?
Yeah, let's look at them.
Mommy.
Yes?
Look at me. Take a video of me.
So that
Say hey.
look.
They have limited, I'm pretty sure. As soon as the couches come, they're sold out.
Oh look, we need lamp bedside lamp.
Yeah, definitely need some lamps.
But look,
Need some new lamps.
but this is
Yeah, I don't know. Somebody in the house is gonna break that.
Yeah.
Somebody like name Ramses.
Yeah. Name Ramses.
I was looking at this, but this only one. Like we could take the ones in the kitchen now and take
No,
it
we
out.
already have those.
Is that a stool or?
No, I think it's like a little table.
We can lose.
I think these are perfect for the basement, but we don't really need anything.
Oh yeah,
in there
that's
now.
perfect.
Alright, I think we should look
You
at
sure
the
this is not
lamps.
a? You sure this is not a stool? What it says?
It
Oh,
could be used for stool or a little side table. I think it's multi.
mommy,
Purpose.
let's get this because this is like a
I think
candy
it's a stool.
cane
It's on
pattern.
it's on the stool
It's on
section.
the stool section. Okay.
I think this
You wanna
is.
switch out to that?
I think we could use this for the kitchen because the others one that runs is
Stool.
Ours should be a little bit down there. What do you think?
We can. Not sure. Let's see. I'm eager to find the lamps now.
Do you like
I
it?
think these are.
Whoa.
I was checking out, changing out stool. I don't know about that.
You don't want to change it?
I don't think we have to do that now. But... Look at these little tiny ones. They're so gorgeous.
Let me see. Tiny
For $40.
one.
Gold. This is heavy. This is too heavy. Ramses is gonna just make a mess. So HomeGoods have beautiful trees, but they're not tall enough. So I guess we might be ordering.
Oh, wow.
They have nice skirts.
Mommy, come with me. Let me show you something. Mommy.
Come.
We can put that on the... Mommy, look.
Like
We
that,
can
Reese?
put that on the No, look at this huge pink one. We should get this huge pink one.
Really?
Yeah, get it right now.
Stacy is looking at pillow. Pillow. Yeah. You want to go look at the pillow? Yes?
Let's get this huge ornament.
Look how
pillow.
festive this is.
No, it's a no for me.
It's so...
It's a no.
Mommy, let's get
First-
this huge
First
ornament.
of all, you can't use those to lay down on anything like that. Like, you'd be laying on these nonsense.
Yes, Satai. Show Dada the ornament. Let's see.
Oh, you can't lay on these?
It's
Satai want to get this huge ornament.
Oh, yes, I want to get
Ornament, yes.
it.
Oh, yeah.
Now, even
You can put it at the side of the. You can decorate with it, right?
no, I want to
Put it there for now.
Uh,
Alright, what about this? This is nice and
oh, look at this. This one is good. That's a Christmas tree.
I don't know if we need any more thorough than we already
I
have.
know we have a ton. So, Ty, can you pair of shoes, please?
Let's look around. I want like red, white.
Mommy.
Yeah, those look good.
Yeah, those look good. Yeah, those look good.
So, listen, decoration is your thing, okay?
My thing?
So, whatever you choose is fine.
Yeah, I know
Mommy!
whatever it is fine. I'm just like,
Mommy.
I'm actually showing the vlog. I'm not showing you. What do you guys think? Huh? Is it too much?
Would you eat it there?
So festive.
Look at this.
Would you eat there, Stacey?
No.
Oh.
It's a pillow.
Grinchy pillow.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. We can keep it.
Ho, 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 ho.
Oh, that's-
Stacey, are you shopping or are you?
That is dumb.
Ho, ho, ho.
I just gotta say this is dumb.
No, I don't think so. Alright, I'll look at pillows. Let's look for white
don't
ones
like these
because
ones.
I'm not finding.
We have whites already.
Two pillows for different.
We're not taking the games that time. We're not taking that one. So put it back.
Get some more stuff in there. And then do it.
Stacey is getting pillow. We have pillow already, but I guess we need more pillows, so we're taking more pillows.
Yeah. They have some
Ralph Lauren and Tommy Banana. Oh,
yeah, this is
Sorry.
this is not King.
Sealy Premium. Oh, you're taking the Kings already, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna
So
take
those.
between
All
the
right.
Ralph Lauren and the Tommy.
Alright, so you got pillows. You need
I was trying to find some decorative pillows. I love to get new ones every year, but I don't know what I'm feeling right now.
okay.
Some white ones over there. There was a white fluffy one,
But it's not up here.
I put it back here. I just saw one. So I am just like not sure.
Oh, we opened something close to that, no?
Yeah, the gray ones.
Right. Yeah.
But we'll see. We shall see.
Mommy, can we get this?
Which one?
This one. Because look, it matches my socks.
Let me see. Oh, that's cute. Let me see it. I don't know. We'll think about it. Stuff that matches your socks. You're too cute. All right, you can hold on to it. We'll see if we get it, okay? You can bring them. Put them in the cart. You can bring them, Satai. We'll think about it. Hi, Ramses.
Oh, look. I can see one of these.
Huh?
I can see one of these trees. Yeah. Oh, these are wire. These are not real trees.
Is there light on? These are lights. These are the lights.
Yeah, they're lights, yeah.
Look
Um,
at Santa. Why is there white Santa?
Stunning trees for less. All right, I think I need a skirt.
Oh, this tree's like $200. This is so tiny.
Yeah.
$200.
I can show them. No, I'm doing this.
It's like a tiny tree.
Yeah. So small.
When I used to live in Asheville, yeah, there was a person that used to wear Uggs all the time. He used to go to the club.
All right, I'm gonna check out the skirts here.
Oh,
What do you think about this one?
Yeah, that's better than the one and the
yeah, that's way better. That's good. That's
the one in the right hand.
Kind of look like a poncho. I think I could
The
wear it.
poncho, yeah, you could wear it as a poncho.
I could literally wear the tree skirt.
Yeah, the one on the
This one.
on the left is much better in the right hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Martha Stewart.
Is Martha Stewart? Yeah, you could take that one.
I literally feel like I could put it on.
As
What
a
do you guys
poncho.
think?
Yeah. No.
And it's warm. Perfect for the weather. All right, so we'll see. We'll hold on to that.
Forget your lunch is at 5.
Thank 5? Okay. Not on.
You made a vlog?
We're not getting this time.
Yes. Wait, no, we're getting it.
I think that's it.
Why?
Would you like a bag?
Yes, thank you.
One for cheese.
So does that mean we're getting it or what?
If I put it back, does that mean you're getting it? We made it to BJ's, but it's dark now.
It's like 4 something and it's dark.
Oh, it's only 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4 something.
Oh my gosh. It gets dark quickly these days. So yeah, next up is BJ's. I'm gonna check if...
It's 5 o'clock yet and it's so dark.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Like living in the northeast is like so funny. It's like nighttime.
Yeah,
And it's 4 something.
4:30, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
amazing.
hopefully I can get my poinsettia. So that's where we are going next. BJ's. Are you managing, Satai, or it's too cold?
Yeah.
Wait. Come, hold on. Thank you. I have a lot of reach too. Oral is so serious about changing that couch. Everywhere he stops, he has to look if there's a couch.
Yeah.
This looks like really nice though.
Yeah.
It's firm. Satai, get down.
Okay.
Mind your fall. Come on, come.
Oh, this fit in this thing. That's the, oh, that's,
know.
I guess it's
It
a
fits.
join-in thing.
It's not bad at all.
No, yeah, but it's like an adjoining thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
It's
an
like
adjoining.
sectional, like
Yeah, it's sectional. Oh no, not the quality that we're looking for.
Actually, is a feeling like a good quality to me. It's thick. Maybe not the style. Like
Bounty, sorry. Alright, Bounty. Bounty paper towel. Bounty. Look. Bounty.
get down. Get down. We found a Christmas tree. That's almost perfect. I'm not sure. I wish it was taller. There is a taller one over here, but it's not white. What?
Can we get this Play-Doh?
Play-Doh? Why are you doing all that Play-Doh? It's not like you're having a party where you could share them.
No.
So
We're
no
playing
fun.
with them. No, I'm playing with them at home.
The shoes like that.
Tie your lace, sweetie.
I don't know how to tie.
So yeah, so we're contemplating right now, so we'll see what happens.
Mom, can you tie? Mommy, can you tie my shoelace?
Go towards the door. Ramses, what are you doing?
Yep, get out.
You want to get out now?
No. Yay! What? Ha ha!
Where are you going? Go here. I really like this one. I'm getting this for Daddy, but I really like this coffee. Yeah, take this. Just getting some salads for lunch. This BJ's run turned out to be way more than I'd expected it to be. Thai mango. I like the Thai style, so I'm gonna grab this and grab this and the avocado ranch also. So I think I'm gonna work with those three. What else they have? I'll take another Thai. I don't know if Oral will want one, so we'll get a Thai. I don't know if I should buy any more salad. Sorry about that. Strawberries. Oh, these look good. They're so small though. This looks nice and fresh. $4.25 per pound, sold in 2 pounds. They're so tiny, but they look good and fresh. The kids love strawberries, so I always have to top up any strawberries. I'm eyeing this one. I guess I'll try this. Let's see this one. This one looks messy. Let's get one from the back. Maybe the fresher ones are in the back or so. I don't know, I feel like I'm going right back to the first one that I saw. It looks good. I'm gonna get these strawberries. Satai, stop fighting with the tree. Alright, it's time to get some Lunchables. Satai really loves the natural cheese dip, so we're gonna just get this. Why does this look like it's missing one? Look at this. 5. That's odd because I'm almost sure 6 comes in a pack. 6 comes in a pack. I know this, right? Because we get it all the time. But check out this pack. It has 5 in it and it's sealed. It's a good thing I'm looking. Take this one.
No, I want the box one.
The box one? What do you mean?
What the box of this? With the Kit
With
Kat.
the juice?
No, with the Kit Kat and juice.
Hold this. They don't have any like any with the Kit Kat.
Oh man.
And I'll get another pack because Ramses will eat these. Although Ramses only eat out the turkey or the ham and the crackers. He doesn't really eat the cheese.
Can I get this one?
Which one?
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
You don't want that one.
Yes, I do.
You want this one because you want to take out the cookie.
No, I want to eat it.
You can't have your cake and eat it. Come.
What?
You have that one already. You can every other day you can have one of these. Come.
No.
Put that back. You have to listen. We have to go. That's it. Because the thing is, if I buy this one with the drinks, right? You okay? What happened? Come. Why are you on the floor? How did you slip? Ush. How did you? I was saying, if I buy the one with the drink, right? Seta likes some of the drink, but look, it has peanut butter, and Seta is allergic to peanut butter, so I would always have to give Ramses that one. And then this is, you know, like a cookie, which is fine for Seta, but then again, he really likes this, so you have to choose between. You can't have both, so we'll just work with this for now. Alright, I don't know if we need yogurt. See why? Whenever I come to BJ's, I end up getting way more than I came for. I came just to browse for my poinsettias, and I haven't even picked those up yet, but I'm still like doing all the shopping.
We need to go to Target.
We're not gonna go to Target today.
You said we're going to Target.
So the kids take these to school for like lunch. Satai picked this up. Satai likes these too because he loves the. Oh, Satai, this is all M&M. Oh yeah. So he likes the M&M ones, but it comes also with Oreo.
I like it.
Winston, he usually eats all the M&M and leave the Oreo, so I take the Oreo at the top and like just give Ramses the bottom.
No, I eat them.
You're gonna eat them now?
Yeah, the Oreo, yeah.
Alright. But yeah, I love the Stonyfield brand. I always get the yogurts for them, the Stonyfield brand. Satai just gets this because it's like fun because it has the this on it, the M&M. Thinking of getting some coffee creamer for work. What are you getting, Satai? This is whoa, peppermint mocha. Christmassy. I don't know, see. Always making coffee at work. Make coffee at home sometimes, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get the hazelnut, we'll see. Let's what is this? Vanilla. Take one from the back. I'll try this. Yes. So Christmassy, but I will just go with the hazelnuts. Yes.
I see that.
Sorry. You see that on there?
Yeah, over there. But I know what I want to get instead of the brownies.
So Ramses and Satai love the corn dog, but I can't find the original corn dog anymore. BJ's used to carry a different one. Ramses does not like this one. I don't know, the sausage, he doesn't like this kind of sausage. You normally tear the outer part off and eat it, but he doesn't like this one. So last that I got was this, so Satai ate it all by himself. So I'm gonna probably have to get
this instead of the brownies.
No.
What?
Here? Everything's good? Okay, so we're looking for cookie dough. Oh, excuse me, miss. Do you know where the vegan ones are? The vegan ones. They have something. You don't know that one? Okay. I got the vegan ones in here before. Thank you. Looking for cookie dough, and she helped me find these ones, but I know there's some vegan ones because I found that here before. Because if we do the vegan ones, then everybody can enjoy it.
Wait,
but
I found one.
where? That one is Christmassy, so that's good.
This one is for
This is a good price.
Look at this.
$10 for this. Sugar cookie dough, holiday shape. Oh, this is perfect then, Satai. We can try this for you and Ramses. Holiday shape sugar cookie dough. Let's see, these holiday shape ones are what? These are 12, nope, those are $10. Looks like there are options back there. Let me see. Pull this one. Oh, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Christmas tree, reindeer, snowman. Alright, I think we're gonna try this. This might be really nice for us to do over the holidays. But then I still need to find one that, maybe another one that everyone can enjoy. The vegans and the non-vegans. And this is yogurt bar. Okay. So we're gonna go with this for now. And I found caramel macchiato. This one is my favorite. So I'm gonna put the hazelnut back. Though I like the hazelnut, I like this one better. So we're gonna work with this and put the hazelnut back. What do you have? Let me see. So Satai's asking for this and I'm hoping that he eats it. It's General Toso chicken. We've never had this before. He's like, I can eat this for dinner later. Why your face look like that?
Not how my voice is.
That's not how your voice is? Oh. Satai said that's not how his voice is, so I need to stop. Bailey's Irish cream chocolate. It's like a fun, cute little gift. I don't know. Want to get a gingerbread house. Are you gonna make that?
Yeah!
You're gonna wait for your sister to come, right? Because I don't know if I can make that. Okay, we found the poinsettias. They're right outside where we passed, but there are no big ones. So Ty, where are you going? They're not. These are like medium size. Let's see. And it looks like they have other flowers. I don't know what flower that is, but they have other flowers next to them this year. They're different. Wow. They're kind of different. There's not a lot of red. Look, one tiny little... What is going on here? This will not look like what I'm used to at all. At all. Oh well. Oh wow. Okay, so I don't know. I'm still gonna take 2 of them. Can't believe they're mixing with other flowers and I don't see any more inside, so I guess this is all they have. Maybe I'm just lazy. Alright, so this is what I'm used to. There, come over here, Satai. These are this is a small one, but typically, you see, it's like just the poinsettia. Well, maybe I'm actually really late because normally I get them before Thanksgiving. See, there's a small one here. I don't know if I should come back. That's kind of disappointing. And these are $14.99. Price is not bad. Price is not bad at all. I was just expecting more of a poinsettia instead of that. I'm actually gonna just take one. I don't know, but I'm gonna take one. That's for me. I'm gonna take one and then...
This one is cracked up the holes.
That's okay. That's how it is. So Ty, what are you doing? I think I'm just gonna take one and go to the other BJ's or go to some other store and see if I find it. Don't get me wrong, I think this is beautiful, but one, I wanted the bigger ones, and 2, I like the idea of just the poinsettias, like just spread all over, you know, not mixed in with anything else. But again, I'm late, so that could be the problem. So I'm just gonna go to another BJ's, definitely not today, maybe later this week, and I'll see if I find more.
Oh, I'm looking for this whole time. Can I get it?
We're not getting any more stuff. Oh, the cup, the teacup you've been saying. I don't know.
Mug.
We have another one already. The mug.
No, I'm gonna put the snowman back. And I'm trying it for the mug.
I'm not sure. We'll see. PJs have everything. Look, they have PJs. What is this? Like, is this PJs or is it sweater? Oh, it's ugly sweater. Christmas sweater. I thought it was PJs. That's cool. What else? Oh. Let's see. They have these kinds. They're not bad at all. They are not bad. Jingly, jingly. I'm looking at ugly sweaters. Christmas sweaters. They're not bad. BJ's have everything. Jingle. Ramsey's used the bathroom. Hi, baby.
Take me to the restroom.
I'll go with you. It's okay.
Okay.
85 CDs for $700.
Wow, it's a good
I don't like the picture quality.
Yeah, it looks good. The quality looks good from here. Not buying another TV, okay? Though this is a good price.
You got a lot more stuff in BJ's than in HomeGoods. You know. So now we're gonna have 2 Christmas trees. That's why you love Christmas, Stacey? You're gonna have 2
I
Christmas
love
trees?
Christmas.
Ramses, you love Christmas?
If we could sell the other one, but we can't, so we'll just keep it. All right, we have to take up these stuff so she can use her. Do you like this one?
What size is this? This is
No, I was getting that one for Daddy.
okay.
That's medium. But it's You're tired and hungry now? Where's Dada?
Hi, Baba.
We're gonna get you something to eat now. We're always running around. We can't wait with your dad. I'm not sure how this stuff is gonna fit. There's so much stuff in the car already. It's dark out now. You're gonna put the seat down? So we just walked in. I'm gonna show you some of the items we got. Way more than I thought I would have picked up today. So I think I showed this already. I just picked up some like lunchable stuff for the kids. At BJ's, Satai wanted to get this plushie, this Christmas plushie. I got this skirt, this Christmas tree skirt from BJ's. I think I paid like $17 plus for this. And I had one from, we got one from HomeGoods earlier. I literally brought it back before we came home. This nice plush blanket. Look how cozy this is looking. And this was only, what, like $20 or something? Really cool. And then from HomeGoods, just like a quick, pick up this baking tray so we can bake some cookie. And what else? This is just a table runner. And this was a good price. This was, oh no, this was not a good price. This was $29. I'm used to getting like cheaper stuff at HomeGoods. And the highlight of my purchase is the LED candle flocked tree. So I found this in BJ's. HomeGoods didn't have, but I found this in BJ's. So that's just some of the stuff we got. I was quite disappointed in my poinsettia, but it's okay. I'm gonna go back and look. I got this little, well, this medium-sized one, and I'm gonna go back and try to find some others. I guess we'll be making a gingerbread house. Satai said it's easy, so maybe we'll do this.
I said it's simple, not easy.
Oh, you said it's simple, not easy? Well, thank you guys so much for watching this Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed just hanging out and shopping with us. We'll see you guys in the next one. Well, you guys should look out for our next vlog when we put up our Christmas tree, okay? Our new Christmas tree. So we'll have that one. Watch it when it's ready, all right? See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit down, your
That's
trip.
enough